it's All of Destiny. Welcome back for another episode of New Week, New Hair. This is a series where I try out a new hairstyle for the week. Ever since I tried crochet, I have clearly been obsessed with human hair crochet extensions. This hairstyle is so lightweight and versatile. While I have your attention for the next 11 minutes, let's get into it.
That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women, honey and fitness. That's all I'm getting. That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women, baddest bras and
This week we're doing a human hair crochet install, and a huge thank you to HOTBRAIDS for sponsoring today's video. So I received one bundle of 22 inches, the 3C4A texture. This is crochet human hair in the color natural black, and the texture is really soft. It blends beautifully with my own natural hair, which you all will see later in the video, and I will have everything linked in the description box down below. I went ahead and washed the hair, set that to the side. It'll kind of start air drying while we focus on prepping the base. I asked y'all for a braid pattern on TikTok Live. Y'all was like, yeah, you could do straight back braids for your crochet installs. I was like, okay, period. And I also wanted to do a perimeter leave out. So we're gonna leave out 1.5 inches in the back, on the left, the right, and then the front. Kind of twist that down, braid the rest of the hair going straight back. I don't feel like that's gonna be enough hair. Let me take out some more. Oh, my hair dirty. We're gonna braid it anyway. Stop typing in the comments. I see you over there judging me. You getting all off task. Stay focused so I can show you how I did this install. Just make sure your hair freshly washed before you braid it down, okay? I got about 7 or 8 braids. Okay, so finish it up with the braids, and boom, this is what we got. Somehow my part ended up crooked in the back. Don't worry about it, let's keep going. I went ahead and applied a hair oil, massaged that in, and y'all, I'm also about to attempt to sew down the rest of the braids. I'm scared. Never a day in my life sewed my hair before. Girl, which needle do you use? Maybe the curved one? I can do this. I know I can do this. I kind of plaited the left, plaited the right, and then we're going to sew the entire thing down. Another option that we did in another install before, you could take the crochet needle and kind of just use that to tuck and secure the ends of your braids. Just like that, I really sewed down my own hair. It was easier than I thought. And that's why you really have to give new things a try sometimes, because I feel like you might just be talking yourself out of it for no reason. But let's keep going. Now it's time for the install. So let's get into it. I'm going to walk y'all through this step by step. That way y'all can achieve this same style at home. Y'all, once I whip out my braiding rack, y'all can't tell me nothing, but no, for real. So you basically want to slide the crochet needle through the braid, attach the crochet hair, and it has this really small piece of thread. That's the portion that I hook right onto the crochet needle. Close the crochet needle, pull the hair back through. You don't have to triple tie it. You just kind of loop it through itself, pull, and then boom, it's secure. And you want to repeat that process all the way up the entire braid. Boom, look at that. One braid is done. Y'all see how good this is looking already. And this is my 3rd time doing this, so it definitely gets easier every single time. And speaking of time, because I know people like to know how long did the install take, but I remember looking at the clock before I got started. It took me about 1 hour and 30 minutes to do the full install start to finish, not including the braid down. That was about maybe 20 minutes. But I would suggest not really focusing on the time. Wait until you have like a day where you can set aside time to really focus on doing your hair. And I try not to leave like large gaps, because I do like for the hair to look very full. Crochet was always something that I did not think I could do on myself, and now that I'm doing it, look at me, like I'm really doing it. You just loop-de-loop and pull. And your crochets looking cool. Girl, edit it out. Nah, don't edit it out. And one bundle is enough to complete your entire head. But the best part, y'all, this hair is reusable. You can take it down, shampoo it, condition it, store it properly, and you can reinstall it again and again. Which also means you're stretching your coins even further, not having to repurchase hair. that means all the other hairstyles are free because you're gonna follow this video and you're gonna do it yourself at home. And if that ain't girl math at this point, I don't know what is. All of the hair is in. Untwist the leave out, that way we can begin blending it with this hair. If y'all saw the curly puff that I was wearing, it was sort of like a blowout look, so I needed to really dampen my hair with water just to bring the curls back from the blowout. And then I received a few products from Garnier. Do they still do that? Garnier Fructis. That I was excited to try out, the curl leave-in treatment as well as the gel and the mousse. So 3 products to style the hair. Following up with using the hair gel, making sure that everything blends well together. And the hair texture is pretty similar to mine, so I'm satisfied about that. Okay, curls. Okay, Garnier. Finish it off with a little bit of the mousse, and that is my hair routine. I decided to take medium-sized sections, and I'm just going to repeat this entire process using the water as needed and distributing these products throughout the hair to really define the curls. So since we have that front perimeter leave out, I'm going to make sure that I really apply some of the mousse to that section.
Show us how
I'm taking the brush that Hot Braids provided. This brush really grabs the hair well. I like these products that I use for the hair too, by the way. Since this video is nicely edited for your viewing pleasure, I'm going to repeat that same process on the other side, and boom. Now let me show y'all how we really going to blend this front portion. Take a good amount of the gel and then lay your edges the way you like, because your hairstyle is not complete if your edges are not on fleek. Do people still say fleek? Either way, just know I read the comments, and the OGs who have been here for years, they still want me saying that phrase in the voiceover, so I got you. Because obviously my hair is not 22 inches. To help it blend a little bit more, I take small pieces of the crochet hair and then I kind of just twist that in with my hair, and that basically makes it look like it's all flowing together. And this is just like a quick method. Another option would be to kind of use small perm rods, but I like this technique. It looks really natural and it works. To lock it into place, I apply my hair scarf for about 30 minutes. Let's get into the finished look. The sky's been clear all day until I come outside to get my footage. But anyway, this is what my hair looks like outside. Y'all know I like a little bit in the front right here. Crochet who? Ever since I've been doing crochet, I'm loving crochet. Like crochet who? Oh, okay. What I love about crochet is just how light it is. Like you cannot feel the install on your head at all. And with me trying to really get good use out of my home gym, this hair has been holding up really nicely, especially in the summer. So I'm happy about that. It's very full, it's natural, it's versatile, and I can actually treat this hair like I would my own hair. So if I want to wash it, I can do that as well. And with the braids, you also have good access to get into your scalp. If you want to wash your perimeter separately, you definitely can do that as well. Y'all know it's like that sometimes. I ain't judging you. And since we have that perimeter leave out, y'all, we got style options. We can do a half up, half down, which is really one of my favorite looks. I love my hair kind of pulled back and off of my face. To sleep, I basically do a high ponytail or a low ponytail, and I just put the hair in a scrunchie overnight. And even if the wind blows, we have that perimeter leave out, so you can't really see anything. I love how full the hair looks. Like it's not too full. It's giving I really grew my hair overnight. Maybe you could do a bun, but since we have straight back braids, I don't know, girl. I'll let you decide when you try this hairstyle out what you think. The goal for me is to tuck away a lot of my hair, but depending on your braid pattern, the half up, half down with the bun could be an option. The half up, half down is definitely one of my favorites. Like it look oh so luscious and oh so good. Look at that. You can also do a ponytail as well. Definitely one of my favorites for when I'm trying to work out or if I just need a quick moment of getting my hair out of the way. But this bun, yeah, big bun, more fun. Get into it, brush up the back, or do a messy bun if you like, girl. It's your choice. Safe to say this hairstyle did last me for a full week, so another episode of New Week, New Hair is complete. Special thank you again to Hot Braids for sponsoring today's video. I will have all of the details about this hair in the description box down below. Questions, comments, leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye. The scarf, and you can decide if you kind of want to. You're going to give me a 90 or nothing. You're just gonna watch me. He wanna be in my video.
And that's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women. Baddest bras in the city. That's all I'm living.
Anybody ever told you talk too much? Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. Welcome back to another new week. Another episode. Hey y'all, it's all... You sound like the 2016. I'm 16. Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. I had caffeine today.